Hey guys, good morning. This Wednesday, we're going to go over, and I'm actually going to be giving you guys an AI app. Everyone's going to be receiving this in our membership because it's time for this. I want to talk to you guys and teach you guys about risk management plans that I've never talked about before. Many times, a retail trader, when they're looking at options and they say, okay, I've gone on social media, I've gone on X, and I see posts that tell us we're going to go down to $50,000, $28,000. They're like, many times the traders I've worked with, they freeze at that moment and they say, I'm just going to hold because I can find data and reasoning out there that tells me that that's not going to be true. The last two Wednesdays in our future forecasts, I have spent probably cumulatively an hour and a half going through chart after chart after chart, showing everyone how you can almost always find the data that you want to find in the market. If you want to find data, I could do this right now. I could prove to you that if you had $100,000 sideline in cash, I could give you strong data that would basically convince you should throw all your money into the market right now because this is the bottom. And obviously, we know the other is true as well. So when it comes to this time, this pivotal moment where Bitcoin is either going to start falling down further and we are going to go to a continual collapse or we're reversing back up, many people are asking, how do I hedge my portfolio? Because I am tired of seeing the market just crash. Many retail traders, they think in terms of long and selling. So they'll say, all right, I've got money into the market. The market is going down. I'm just going to hold because I believe the market's eventually going to go up again. They're holding long. The other perspective that retail traders have is say, I'm in the market's going down, I'm going to sell. You need to realize that this long and sell thinking is only about 20% of your options. There is still another 80% left that most people don't even think about. And I'm going to be really vulnerable with you guys. I actually had to go through ChatGPT a few nights ago and I said, give me 10 different ways to hedge or manage my portfolio if I believe a certain stock or cryptocurrency is going to continue to go back down. And I was blown away by all the different options that I had never even thought about. So I took all that data and I actually put it into an app that we're going to go over Wednesday together. And the app does this. It tells you what's the probability that you believe we're going to get a drop on Bitcoin. And we're going to go over charts to find that probability. It's a slider. You're actually going to be able to slide this across. Okay, what's the probability? Now, what is the percentage likelihood that, let's say, Bitcoin goes down? 20% more, 30% more, 50% more? Okay, two variables. The third variable is what is your risk? What is your conviction that we're going to go down, let's say 30% more, and you move that meter. AI actually takes all of these different readings of what you believe about the market, and I'll give you my perspective too, okay? And then it actually gives you, out of the 6 different options, the 2 or 3 best options for your portfolio right now based off your risk, your conviction of the market going back down, and how much you think the market will go back down. I have never seen anyone publish anything like this before. And what I believe it's going to do for all you guys watching this right now, it is going to unlock the other 80%. Because do you guys know, and I don't want to make this too long, and I'll show you where you can access this on this Wednesday, but do you guys know that there are options and tickers that you can purchase right now? Let me actually draw this out for you guys real quick. If you don't mind me just doing a little bit of whiteboard session with you here. I think you need to see this because this will, I think, visually help you understand this a little bit more. Let's go to charting. Let's go to the whiteboard. So if you have, let's say, $100,000 in your account right now, and you're like, I think this is going to go down because I have strong evidence that Bitcoin is going to go down. Okay, do you guys know there are actually tickers, I'll just call them tickers, and we'll go over this on Wednesday, tickers that you can actually put in only 50%, half of what your exposure is in the current market to actually balance out any type of drop. Let me say that again. If Bitcoin crashes, let's say 40% from here, which you think it's drastic, but then look at your altcoin bag, and I can get on board and prove to you could see 60% lower than here. What are you going to do with these drops? Well, there are products that you can purchase that are readily available on your guys' exchanges that you don't need to have, a full $100,000 exposure to a downside. You can put $50,000 in and it will equalize your portfolio. It will hedge your portfolio. So literally, you could sit back, hands off the wheel, and you will just basically stay break even. I'm not kidding. If Bitcoin crashes, let's say, $30,000 from where we're currently at, your portfolio wouldn't actually see any drawdown, but you would be able to actually cash out of a position when the market went lower, take that cash, put it into buy limits on your long portfolio over here, and scoop it up before the market goes back up. If that kind of ticked in your mind right there and a light bulb went off, we're scratching the surface of the options that you have right now. These are not complicated options. We're not opening futures contracts or leap options or anything like that. I'm going to keep this so simple where you can always find a bull market anywhere. It doesn't matter. Like, people are like 2013, 17, 21, 25, bull markets, everyone's making money. I am now, vulnerably with you guys, coming around to thinking about this. I'm like, we've got to realize every bear market is a massive bull market opportunity. But many people don't take advantage of it because they think the market's going to keep going up. So here's what I'm going to do. Here's the breadcrumbs you guys can follow here, because I think this will really help a lot of you guys. Go to the link in the description. TradeConfident.io is where you guys are going to be taken, and it's going to give you guys 25% off the membership. Once you log in there and pay for it, you're done. Just don't do anything. Just hang out. I will send you an email Wednesday morning, and it will populate right here on the front page. You click on it, and then you can scroll down, and you're going to watch the video. And I'm going to give you guys this AI app. I want to show you guys the options that you have right now to make money. And if not make money on the drop, at least preserve the capital that you have, so you're not just sitting around watching everything collapse. Because look at the stock market today, starting to turn back over. Look at the appreciation curve of Bitcoin to silver and gold. It's already crashing, and it looks like it's going to go further. So let me set you guys up with this, and you're not just coming for a teaching. I'm going to give you guys the link to the AI, what do we call it? Just an AI app where you actually move these toggles. So if you want to sign up for a membership and take that for the rest of your life, my gift to you. And it will help you from now on out in the rest of your trading journey, toggle these meters. And after you toggle it, conviction of what do you think, the confidence score of how likely is Bitcoin to go down? What is the percentage you believe it's going to go down? And what is your risk factor? What are you willing to risk? Okay. And then it's going to give you guys the options of how to manage your portfolio. Guys, there's nothing like this on the market. And I guarantee you guys, this will be worth your $49 you pay for 1 month, that you guys can have this forever. So link in the description. Enjoy the 25% off. This will be Wednesday morning. Today is Monday the 23rd. So 25th, I will be coming out with this and sharing it with you guys. And I'll send everyone an email once you guys sign up. So you're not going to miss this. Sign up at TradeConfident.io. Wait for the email. Watch it Wednesday. I genuinely think this is going to help a lot of you guys right now to make some more money in this drop, or at least keep your portfolio stable. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys Wednesday morning. Bye, guys.